Inside this envelope, I have my US tax return file and I received it last month. And can you guys guess how much does it cost to send an envelope like this from USA to India? It cost around $70 plus. So if you want to send an envelope like this or a piece of paper like this from USA to any country, like that cost you a lot of money. It's around $70 plus. So if you calculate it to Indian currency, it cost us around 5,000 to 6,000 rupees to just send a piece of paper or an envelope like this. As you are my viewer, let me share with you a secret trick. And using this trick, you can import from USA under $10. You can import an envelope or import a piece of paper or import a little box, and you don't need to pay like $70, $80, $100. You can do it under $10 using a website called stackery.com, and using their reshipping service you can import from USA to India under $10. And later in this video I'll show you guys how to do that. Back in 2016, near about 8 years ago, I cracked an awesome deal on Amazon.com in Black Friday sale. So I get near about 99% discount coupon from a seller. The price of the product was 139 USD, around 10,000 Indian rupees. And after applying the coupon, it's become so cheap, little more than $1. So I get this product really free. But my only problem is I live in India and the seller ships the product within USA. Now question is how I able to ship it to India. The seller is not shipping it to India. So I decided to ship it on a reshipping company, and then I reshipped the item from their warehouse to India. For like 7-8 years, I used reshipping services from various companies like USGOBUY.com, Ship7, Stackery, MyUS, Reship.com, even many other company I used it. I forget all of their names, but my favorite is Stackery. And this is the most important thing I like about Stackery, that they are super pocket friendly, like up to 50% cheaper compared to other reshipping companies. So guys, if you want to buy from us at cheaper price, you want to save some money, follow this trick. So go to my video and go to the description and click on more, and here you guys can see the link. So click on the link, it will take you stackery.com, and here you say sign up page. You see sign up page. So scroll down. They don't have any application you need to do using the browser. You can do it on a computer too, but let's do it on phone. So put your name, put my name Ajit, put your last name, your country. So fill the form according to your need, and this is the important part. So here is my referral code, you see. So you can use the referral code to get $10 discount on your first shipping. Then click on accept. I like to originally return mail. I accept. Then click on sign up. I've already signed up, so I am going to click on sign in, log in, and let's log in. So after logging to their home page, you can scroll down on the bottom and you can find your USA address. So this is my USA address that's provided by Stackery. Basically it's a Stackery warehouse address where you can uniquely identify it. While ordering from any US based e-commerce website, if they are not shipping it to India, you can put this address there and it will come to Stackery, and after that after delivery you will see this on this receipt package section on this. I already have 2 packages that ready to ship. Let me show you guys, like this is 2 packages I have ready to ship. Click on finalize, and if you have like multiple item delivered to from multiple e-commerce website to Stackery, you can consolidate it and make it tiny package and save up to 80% on your shipping charges. Finalize it and show you guys, like, can I? Okay, so I have 1 pound package. So go next step. Now see, I have Aramax. So it's $17.98. Okay. If you sign up using my link, you will get $10 discount on your first shipment. So this will become $7.98, only $8 or less. So if you're importing a parcel from USA, you can import it using only $8. So that's cheap. Now we'll go to next step, and after that submit and pay. If you guys never ever did any kind of international transaction, then paying on Stackry probably a little bit difficult for you, because they don't support paying using debit card or using UPI. You need to have a PayPal account or a credit card, and there is so many credit card that didn't support by Stackry. I tried to pay using my Axis Bank Rupee credit card, but it didn't work. Then I used my HDFC MasterCard, that worked on Stackry. So if you are making payment, make sure you have a PayPal account, and if you are using SBI card, it will be difficult for you guys to pay using a SBI card. So before making any kind of payment or before any kind of purchase from Amazon or any other website on USA, make sure you guys have a international working debit card, credit card, and a PayPal account. Today one of my viewers sent me this screenshot. He paid $12.98 for his first shipment buying from USA to India using Stackry. So you guys can see how cheap it is. And guys, as I told you before starting the video, importing a paper from USA cost $50, $60, $70, but you cannot import a paper or document or any ID card or SIM card or any like a MasterCard, Visa card, anything like any kind of document using Stackry. I just use this paper for a demonstration, guys. This video become little bit lengthy, so on my upcoming video I'm going to explain you about the payment process, how you can pay and what kind of problem you can face. Also I'm going to tell you about the customs, how you can clear customs and how much you need to pay on custom duty. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like this video, and I will meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.